Welcome to J&J Auto Contest video of our 1996 Toyota Previa right-hand drive, all-wheel drive supercharged. This bad boy is a mail truck that got caught in a hailstorm out in Texas. Unfortunately, landed her here. ABS, hail dents everywhere, so not really going to get too many body parts. Nice full interior though. We'll get these seats out nice and cleaned up. The mail lady was so kind to put them back in there. An absolutely bitchin' ride though. This thing is sweet. I would have loved to have been able to ride in this thing back in the day. Oh. This thing has dual sunroofs. What's up? Doing a video. Nice white pearl exterior. Like I said though, damage all over it, so a lot of mechanical parts, interior, some lights. Right-hand drive, automatic. Go ahead and test out the transmission. Goes right into gear, right into reverse. Oh look, we got a backup camera too. How cool is that? 197,000 kilometers. Runs great, air conditioning works, so yeah, everything you guys see here is going to be for sale. This is an odd one. Alright guys, well, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Contest video of our 1996 Toyota Previa. Thanks for watching.